Imagine walking through an orchard, the scent of fresh pears filling the air, and the sight of healthy trees with fruit almost ready for harvest. Have you ever wondered how millions of tons of pears are grown in the United States every year? Behind every juicy pear lies an incredible story of dedication, science, and nature's magic. The heart of pear cultivation in the U.S. lies in the Pacific Northwest, particularly in Oregon and Washington. These regions provide ideal conditions for growing pears: cool climates, nutrient-rich volcanic soils, and an abundance of water. In this region alone, thousands of farmers work tirelessly to produce over 600,000 tons of pears annually, contributing more than $500 million to the U.S. economy. From seed to harvest, the journey of a pear is a delicate blend of science, tradition, and the beauty of nature. Greenfield's agriculture technology explore the incredible journey of growing, harvesting, and processing millions of pears in the U.S. It all begins with choosing the right variety. U.S. farmers grow many types of pears, each with its own unique flavor and texture. Popular varieties like Bartlett, with its soft and juicy flesh, and Bosc, known for its firm texture. Before planting, the land is carefully prepared. Farmers ensure the soil is well drained and rich in nutrients, with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. Proper preparation is critical for healthy tree growth. Saplings are planted in early spring or late fall, ensuring their roots establish firmly before extreme weather sets. Once the trees are planted, they need consistent care. Drip irrigation systems are commonly used to provide precise moisture levels, conserving water while ensuring healthy growth. As the trees grow, pruning becomes essential. This practice shapes the tree, removes diseased branches, and improves air circulation, all of which contribute to better fruit quality. In spring, pear orchards come alive with blossoms. This is when bees play their vital role in pollination. Without these industrious pollinators, pear production would not be possible. Farmers also face challenges like pests and diseases. Using modern, sustainable practices, they protect their crops without harming the environment. By late summer, the pears are ready for harvest. Pears are one of the juiciest and most delicious fruits, but harvesting them is an art. Timing, technique, and care all play a critical role in ensuring we get the perfect pear. Harvesting begins with knowing when the pears are ripe. Unlike many fruits, pears are picked when they are mature but still firm. Farmers look for a change in color, size, and even test the fruit's firmness near the stem, called the neck test. Farmer carefully plucking a pear and placing it into a harvesting basket. Harvesting pears requires a gentle touch. The fruit is picked by hand to avoid bruising. A simple twist and lift motion ensures the stem stays intact, which helps the pear last longer. Farmers use specialized tools like padded baskets and ladders to make harvesting easier and safer. These tools ensure the fruit and the workers stay safe during the process. Once harvested, pears are taken to a packing facility where they're sorted based on size, color, and quality. They are then carefully packed to ensure they reach markets in perfect condition. From the orchard to your table, every pear tells a story of care and dedication. The next time you bite into a juicy pear, you'll know the journey it took to get there.